It's time to change your all webcam. I'm gonna bring you today in a webcam what they call it the soundbar, because it also includes a speaker that has an amazing sound. Why? Because they use an A3 algorithm. That's an amazing microphone with stereo. All right, very important. It has what they call it a TOF. So use laser technology to focus super fast. CMOS sensor has ultra high SNR. Let me show you this right now. All right, so what we get out of the camera, we have the full instructions here, but we're gonna explain you right in this video. And then USB, they use type C and A. You're gonna connect right in your computer. The nice thing today, I'm gonna show you the difference between a great camera and the not so good camera that you need to change, or I need to change it right on my laptop. But let's go over a few things. Now, speaker, pretty powerful. You said, but that tiny speaker, I mean, sounds great. Believe me, it's better than my laptop. So they have a speaker right here, the two microphones, the LED indicator that change colors, depends if you set a portrait mode or if you mute or you set landscape, and show how that whole thing works. You land right here, all right, at 1080, remember what I said, the CMOS sensor is a real ultra high. And you see that tiny window there, that's for the TOF, and that's what it uses laser technology for fast focus. Right in the back, oh, very important, privacy, right? We need privacy, so let's close this up and on. All right, and I like it, unlock, just push it, and don't believe on the software. Now, and here we have the USB type C for charging. You see this here? Just touch it, it's not a button. And here we press it, we're gonna mute it, this is gonna become red. And if you want to change it from portrait mode, also landscape to portrait mode, you're gonna hold it here for about 10 seconds and automatically it's gonna change. We're going to be testing this out. I'm going to be using Skype to show you right my laptop and the difference between the one I need to change it through this one. Let me see if I can bring that a little bit there, and maybe you can use this. So this is quality. Look my hand. Look at the slow motion, right? And let's test the audio. So I'm going to use to test this. All right, so I'm going to make a call test.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
I'm Dario from MEDIABOXENT. Great. Okay. Now the nice thing on this camera, it can hear 6 feet away. All right. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug the camera in, and it's went into it. It will detect, and if you see that blue light, it's blinking. I'll put this white a little bit, and it's right there. Do you see the difference? Can you notice the difference between the other camera and this camera? I know because it's recording, it really doesn't the quality, but the quality is super great. Look my hand. Now you can really see what it is, right? Now, how about the focus one? So if I have to show you a product, right, we're using this like now, I'll show you this app. But the thing is focus super fast, no problem. You see that? Normally in other cameras, it goes autofocus. Why we can use the TOF, all right? So we can have that focus real nice, the camera, okay? Look that, it's focusing a little. You notice that? Now take that on here, great. So pass the test on that. Now let's change the sound. So now we're gonna be using the speaker that is included on the camera. It sounds great, much better than original one. So we're gonna bring this down and let's make a text call.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Hi, I'm Dario from MEDIABOXENT.
Hi, I'm Dario from MEDIABOXENT.
Now you notice the sound.
If you are able to hear your own...
You even hear the sound. It's much clearer. And I'm not using the original speaker. And this is nice because if you have to do a Zoom call, Skype call, it's just right in the speaker, right in front of you. So the way it just coming out of the laptop. Now the nice thing on this, sure I can go 6 feet away and testing this out.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Hi, I'm Dario from MEDIABOXENT.
Hi, I'm Dario from MEDIABOXENT.
If you are able to hear your...
That was not perfect. That was amazing. Right, so now you know, right? The camera has super fast focus. Why? Because they use laser technology. It's a soundbar camera and the speaker built in. Great sound. Stereo microphone. Perfect to hear 6 feet away. And it sounds better. So if you're looking to upgrade the camera, right, your laptop because you have that problem, or maybe you have no camera at all and you want to put a cool camera right in your computer, that's the way to do it. Now, my next thing is, and I want to show you that, is this. So if you want to mute the camera, I'm going to press there a second, and you see that? So that mutes. I can mute and close this down in privacy. Nobody can hear. I want to resume that. I just press in the back, and we have that going. Now, remember I said landscaping in portrait mode? All right. So when you see blue, you are in landscape mode. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press right here for about 10 seconds. You see that? I'm going to let it go. You see change the color. And now it's resetting itself, the camera. Okay? So it's resetting, getting back to my old camera. It's blinking. And now it should be back on portrait mode. You're going to set the camera the other way around. So you're going to grab the camera, and then you can move this around and set it this way. So now the camera is a portrait mode. Sure, we have to put it around or put it on the table or something else, right, to change it, but just give you an idea. Now we want to change this back into landscape mode. No problem. I'm going to go this way. Right, so this is great for like TikTok videos, right? So, or let's press it, let's hold it here. All right, if you see the camera is back again. So the camera right now is doing the reset. Okay, yeah, I'm getting my old camera. This thing is flashing back again. All right, and I should get back. Okay, it's resetting right now. It should be blue in a second. And we are in, and we got it. Now you know, right? Time to upgrade your camera system. I'll see you next time. Bye.